Scratches and nicks. Your poor old furniture. You love it, you want to keep it, but it breaks your heart to see it this way. Well, not anymore, because finally the secret is out. Now you can restore and renew all your favorite furniture and woodwork with professional results in seconds with Trade Secret. Sold exclusively to fine cabinet makers for over 50 years, until now. Just pour it onto a clean cloth, rub it in, and the scratches disappeared. So don't ignore it, restore it with Trade Secret. You would never do this to your fine furniture, but just look how Trade Secret's concentrated scratch remover instantly fixes this disaster like magic. Trade Secret is quick and easy and safe to use on any finish, even your finest antiques. So if you've got worn, scratched furniture, don't throw it out, rub it out. Don't cover it up, touch it up. Use Trade Secret on tables, cabinets, paneling, wood trim, even hardwood floors, and all your favorite furniture. Trade Secret Scratch Remover, tested and proven by master cabinet makers, comes in 2 concentrated formulas. One to instantly repair dark wood and one for light wood.